I'm Kinley of Today's Creative Food, Kids Edition. Today we're going to show you how to make a beautiful Easter colored flower, but it has a beautiful design.
You're going to show us how to do it. It was actually her idea, which I was so surprised by.
I love it.
I know, it turned out so good. You just do it with some color and a toothpick. It's pretty cool. Let's show them.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, if you need the recipe for the cookies or the royal icing that I use, how I make it to make it so shiny, go ahead and go to todayscreativefood.com and we will see you over there. Let's get started.
Yay! We are going to make the prettiest Easter cookie ever. So first I'm going to take my white frosting and outline my cookie. Or I should say my Easter flower cookie. And then I'm just gonna fill it in really quick.